So just a quick video on 9 to 8 wiper motors. I was told the wiper motor was shot on this and to buy a new assembly, which for this S4 car was about 400 quid plus fitting. Having popped these arms off and given the motor a little bit of a turn, turns anti-clockwise I think. After checking all the relays were clean and fuses and everything, the motor turns quite happily. A little bit of grinding from the bearings, which wear out over time because they get a little bit of moisture in them, but the issue was this absolutely stuck fast on this side, but the other one absolutely fine. Moves the tree, see it's lovely and smooth action. So just bear in mind it can be mechanical as well as electrical motor, and having got huge amounts of seals circling out of this thing, I can now get some penetrating oil into it and give you an idea of the muck that's coming out of it. It's just good old fashioned corrosion. So when that's done its trick, hopefully it will all free up and we'll be back in business 500 quid better off. So something to consider if you're having this problem. It's quite a good way of giving it a oil bath. WD-40 in there.